What do you recommend for athletes that are too stressed out?
Number one, meditate. Number two, use my relax formula to drive nighttime cortisol down to get great night's sleeps. Number three, decrease blue light at night. So whether it's a laptop, whether it's cell phone usage, whether it's any computer, no cell phone a couple hours before bed. That helps lower cortisol, increase melatonin, again to get a better night's sleep. I also recommend drinking plenty of water, eating super healthy foods. Like if their diet's off, they're having too much sugar, fried foods, that can impact their body in a negative way. So I make sure that they're getting a lot of complex carbohydrates, essential fats like fish and nuts and seeds, and obviously lots of fruits and vegetables. Make sure their diet is really crisp, eating healthy, to make sure the nutrition is matching their physiological needs. Those are some of my suggestions.